Okay, today we're gonna show you how we're working with this hair. Now you can see this really black natural hair, but here we've got the silver herring, which happens to be one of the latest colors young girls are going for, and we braided it in without even showing the black hair much. So that's what we want to show you today, how you're able to braid hair without showing the natural color too much in the hair extension, and it comes out really nice with the original color that you're trying to put in. So we'll just be showing you more actions today. We're trying to play with our videos in such a way that we're not too predictable, so sometimes we just show you hints of what's going on and then that's it. So today just hints of how we're able to braid this hair that the black hair is not showing too much in the color we're trying to bring to you. Okay, so the brand of hair we're using today is the Bundles of Joy hair extensions from us. Remember, we say we know hair, and that's because we worked with hair for as long as we remember. The hair is coming out of the pack, and this color is 51. Remember, our hair that we give to you is mostly pre-tipped, so you see it's already prepared. So you don't have to spend time trying to get the right tip of hair. And so I've got this section I want to work with, and I'm going to put that into our hair. So remember what we're doing here, we're just trying to show you how we're blending the natural color into this hair. So it's not about knowing how to braid. Knowing how to braid, we have lots of videos on that, which we're going to be showing you again, as some people may not have seen it. So the hair goes in nicely, and you watch how I'm going. That's the client's hair, and that's the hair extension. So we make sure that the hair is tightly inside. I had one of my students asking me, how do you actually achieve that? And I had to explain what I'm doing just now. So remember, when we put the hair in, one side is bigger than the other, so you can always take away from that one at some point once you've gone in. I'm going to push that here, and I have this strand still big. You see that? So the hair, natural hair, is sitting underneath the hair extension. If you find your client has a lot of hair, make sure the hair is completely underneath the hair extension. And what happens lots of times when people dealing with natural hair, they struggle with how to make it sit underneath. See that? So you try and push the natural hair underneath like that. See the hair? It goes in. Remember, if you really are trying to work with color and the client says a completely different color, most times have more extensions more than the client's hair, because that's going to help you push it all in properly. See how it's going? Now we're finished with her hair, and so the rest is the extension. So now I'm not worried anymore, I can go normal. Remember, we encourage what we call the loose box braids, but when you're trying to cover color completely, you have to tighten your strands, then it's not loose. But once your client's hair is done, then you can become loose. So remember what we're doing, we're just trying to push the client's natural hair into this extension, so you don't really see her natural hair. And this is something lots of people are struggling with out there. So you notice what I've done, which is the same with all of them. At the point where the client's hair is still very visible, you make your braids really tight so they really fit in. And once you're done, then you can release your hand and create your loose box braids. So remember, gray is in vogue right now, so it's one of the most sought after colors young people are going for, and that's why we've decided to show you how this could work with your hair. We have it in our hair range, Bundles of Joy. Whatever length you want, just let us know. Okay, so see how much our work is progressing, getting closer, getting quite full. All I'm using is the square method of creating the bricks. And then remember, the whole purpose of this, to try and hide the natural hair so it's not showing in our color. So push it in, push it in, push it in, push it in, push. And once you do that, you get the color that you want to override. And where a strand gets smaller, just take a little bit and add in. It gets better. Okay, we did mention if you wanted to learn how to start braiding and how to turn professional with braiding, we have videos on everything we've been doing over the years, and we have it in a pack, in a DVD pack. Lots of people ask, where is it? It's on our website, hairextensionsandbeauty.com. So it's down to you to order your DVD pack, which is that one. It comes with 30 DVDs, including everything you want to know. Basic single plaits, cornrows, weaves, hair extensions, they're all there. So that's the best place to start. And remember, it's a home certification course where we take you through step by step on how to understand your business as well. But this particular video we're doing now is to show you how colors can be blended in. So blending in natural hair into the hair extensions is the focus of this video. And why this is so important is, whatever the color you choose, you should be able to blend the natural hair into it. And this is a case in point. The gray color is one of the most sought after colors right now. And you can see this really natural dark hair blended in so well, you don't get to see it. So that's a great fit. So you can see how much we've progressed with this hair. Just at the crown here, we have just about 6 strands left, and we're nearly done. But something I wanted you to see how long this hair is. So let's take one of them and measure it. It's about 30 inches long. I'll look for another nice strand again. About 30, I'll call it 30, although it progresses because of the tips. It goes even up to about 32, but I'll say volume wise, good volume is about 30 inches. And that's how long you can get this hair sometimes. So it would depend on how long you want this hair when you order your hair from us, and you will tell us what color you want. And like I said, this is the color that's really out there right now. Lots of teenagers are in love with it. Lots of people. You see how it clashes. And what we've shown you is how you can make your color blend in really well with the natural hair, and no one's noticing the natural hair color. So remember, the color we used in this hair is color 51, which is also known as silver or silver gray, whatever you decide to call it. My name is Joy Fido, and I brought you this design today. I know I hadn't introduced myself because the focus of this video was all about telling you what we're doing with this hair. It's not one of those videos where we make a big show of showing what I look like. You already know what I look like. So focus today was about just giving you these short clips on how we were able to install this beautiful head of braids by inserting the client's hair deep into the hair extensions, so you can actually achieve the colors that you want to achieve with your client's hair. Look at that, completely all gray or all silver. And that's what this unique video is all about. Go in and out several times so that the tips are not getting curly. And if you find it's curly, you dip it again. Now when you have very long hair like this, you could get a longer bow, but in my case I haven't got that because I know I can use it easily. Dip your towel into the hot water. This is extremely hot, so try and be careful with your hands. Just dab it over the hair. And do that a few times. So many people have asked, why do we do this? This is what actually seals the hair, and so it doesn't unravel.